Hey there, internet family. Welcome back to your channel name. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to make a mark online: how to create a cool personal branding website. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just someone wanting to showcase their portfolio, a personal branding website is a must-have. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your brand. The first step in creating a standout personal branding website is defining your brand. Ask yourself these questions. Who are you? What do you do? What are your values and mission? Who is your target audience? Creating a clear and concise brand message will guide all your design and content decisions. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you might want a visually rich and creative site. If you're a business consultant, you might aim for something more professional and straightforward. Step 2. Choose your domain and hosting. Next, choose a domain name that reflects your brand. Keep it simple, memorable, and relevant to your name or business. Websites like GoDaddy, Namecheap, and Bluehost are great for finding and registering your domain. For hosting, you need something reliable and fast. Options like Bluehost, SiteGround, and even WordPress.com offer great hosting services. Remember, your website's speed and uptime are crucial for a good user experience. Step 3. Select a platform and theme. Now, let's talk platforms. WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix are popular choices. WordPress offers incredible flexibility with tons of plugins and themes, perfect if you're comfortable with some tech. Squarespace and Wix are more user-friendly and still very powerful for building beautiful sites without any coding. Choose a theme that matches your brand aesthetic. Look for clean, responsive designs that work well on both desktop and mobile. Remember, first impressions matter, so pick a theme that looks professional and stylish. Step 4. Customize your website. With your platform and theme ready, it's time to customize. Here are some key elements to focus on. Homepage. This is your first impression. Make it count with a strong headline, a brief intro about who you are, and a clear call to action (CTA). About page. Tell your story. Share your background, values, and what makes you unique. Portfolio/work. Showcase your best work. Use high-quality images, videos, and case studies if possible. Blog. Regularly updated content can help establish your authority and improve SEO. Contact. Make it easy for visitors to get in touch. Include a contact form, email address, and social media links. Customize the colors, fonts, and layout to align with your brand identity. Tools like Canva can help you create custom graphics to add a personal touch. Step 5. Add essential features. To make your website more functional and engaging, consider adding these essential features. SEO tools. Plugins like Yoast SEO for WordPress can help optimize your content for search engines. Analytics. Google Analytics is crucial for understanding your audience and tracking your website's performance. Social media integration. Add social media buttons to connect with visitors on other platforms. Email sign-up forms. Building an email list is invaluable. Tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit make it easy to add sign-up forms. Testimonials. Social proof can boost credibility. Add testimonials from satisfied clients or collaborators. Step 6. Optimize for mobile. With more people browsing on their phones, your site must be mobile-friendly. Most themes are responsive, but always double-check. Test your website on different devices to ensure everything looks and functions perfectly. Tools like Google's mobile-friendly test can be helpful. Step 7. Launch and promote. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to launch. Before going live, do a final check for any typos, broken links, or missing elements. Once everything looks good, hit that publish button. Now promote your site. Share it on your social media channels, update your email signature with your new website link, and network within your industry. The more you share, the more traffic you'll drive to your site. And there you have it, your very own cool personal branding website. Remember, your website is a living thing. Keep it updated with fresh content, new projects, and any changes in your branding. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments about your personal branding journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy branding!